Hello everyone, thank you for joining AI-driven New Era IIoT Digital Transformation webinar. We are glad to have our Solution BU Division Director Rick Peng to talk about ASUS Automation Solution on Inspection. Then, I will introduce AI Edge Computing and IoT Automation. Well, in the third session, we have invited our important partner, Innodisk, to share their latest technology on IIoT. Karen from Innodisk will talk about ASUS and Innodisk remote monitoring solution. I hope you will all enjoy this webinar. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. We'll try to answer you online simultaneously. Okay, at the end, we will choose some frequent questions and share with you the answers. Okay, so let us begin and welcome Rick. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I'm so happy to be here to share with you what ASUS AIoT has created with regard to smart manufacturing applications. However, before we explore this topic, I would like to give you some background information. Most of you may know that it's a world-leading ASUS technology company renowned for the cutting-edge PCs, laptops, motherboards, and more. We established the AIoT business group at the end of 2019. In the 2 years since, we have worked closely with our suppliers to help them execute their own digital transformations. Now, I would like to talk about the opportunity presented by the global industrial AI market. Based on the research by the IIOT Analytics, the industrial AI market will maintain a compound annual growth rate of 31% from 2018 to 2025. The top two use case categories, predictive maintenance and quality inspection and assurance, contribute around 50% of the overall market size. As you can see, AI technology is booming and not just research projects in schools and universities. With this in mind, all business owners should consider how to integrate AI technology to transform operations. Here, I would like to highlight the top 10 just to provide a quick insight. ASUS offers a comprehensive portfolio of hardware that tailor-made for both IoT and AI solutions. Applications for our solutions include predictive maintenance of a single asset, automatic optical inspection, production optimization, surveillance and physical threat detection. By empowering AIoT solutions via our own in-house AI and cloud-based services, ASUS creates unique value for our customers. Specifically, ASUS AI solutions all include three key factors: unique domain-focused AI models, reduction in the complexity of AI deployment, integrated software and hardware solutions with input from both internal and external partners. ASUS has built its own AI technologies, leveraging the expertise of hundreds of AI engineers and data scientists. The upshot is that our solution brings unique benefit to our customers looking to adopt AI technology across diverse verticals. From edge to cloud, ASUS can provide a one-stop shopping service and market-ready solutions. For edge computing, ASUS provides a complete computing platform from Intel Atom Core i9 series processors. But our solution goes beyond hardware. We offer software as well. ASUS offers a cloud dashboard to monitor device status and real-time data from edge equipment. Moreover, the unique ASUS AI technology can bring data insights to help customers to improve production and decision quality. If you have involved in the manufacturing field, you may know the 4M plus 1E concept. The 4M stands for man, machine, material, and method. The 1E stands for the environment. Today, ASUS provides various AI solutions for 4M plus 1E related applications. To take just one example, ASUS recently introduced the Ice Vision AI Toolkit to help customers to build up AI models for automatic optical inspection or AOI machines. In the coming slides, I'm going to share two major applications that have benefits from the innovative ASUS software offering. So let's explore those two typical applications that I wish to share with you today. The first is quality inspection for rotary products such as pumps and motors. The second related to the application of AI for AOI for defects. Traditionally, manufacturer has to rely on operator to perform manual quality checks. However, humans are not infallible. Different operators will produce different results, and even the same operator may perform differently day to day. Asus Ice Detector is a software application that helps customers to standardize their testing process and to store data for further tracking processes. Ice Detector is an AI-based software application that can be utilized to perform quality inspection during the production phase. It provides an intuitive user interface that allows a production engineer or line manager to create an AI model in less than a minute without requiring AI expertise. Via its intuitive interface, it takes just 4 steps to create an AI model with Ice Detector. And in under a minute, after the model has been built, the line manager can switch to operator mode, then operators can start to do the job. Ice Detector requires only the level of computing power delivered by an everyday typical CPU. This means that an AI-based manufacturing system can be adopted without significant expense or infrastructure investment. Moreover, Ice Detector helps improve both quality and efficiency by providing real-time visibility into operations, allowing root cause analysis to be easily performed by a partner. To recap, automatic optical inspection in a technique of visualized inspection, where a camera scans target devices for both catastrophic failure and quality defects. In this use case, ASUS AI technology could enhance the performance of traditional AOI, and with its retraining mechanism, improve continuously. The easy-to-use toolkit can reduce the development time of AI projects by up to 80%. More importantly, the models are based on ASUS' own AI technology, including the expertise of data processing, module selection, and the knowledge of hyperparameter configuration and sufficient field data from hundreds of ASUS supply chains. ASUS Ice Vision is another easy-to-use toolkit, empowering ASUS AI techniques for the application of machine vision. Ice Vision provides 3 working models for AI training, inference, and batch training scenarios, called trainer, runtime, and scheduler. Moreover, Ice Vision is very simple to use with just 4 steps to create powerful AI models just in minutes. From project initiation through labeling, training, and verification. The process is entirely mouse-controlled with no need to write the code. Let's talk about unique features. Ice Vision provides various AI algorithms, including classification, object detection, segmentation, and anomaly detection. Perhaps the most interesting feature is anomaly detection. This is perfect for finding outliers in product defect inspection systems. It can reduce the training time from hours to minutes. Regarding the integration, Ice Vision can create powerful AI models that can be integrated into customers' AOI programs via C++, C#, and Python, providing seamless integration. So that's just a brief overview of the software offering from ASUS. So let's just take a moment to recap what I have presented to you today. Asus Ice Detector is a powerful application software to improve production quality and production efficiency. Asus Ice Vision is an innovative AI toolkit that empowers traditional AOI machine to deliver AI-powered inspection. In addition, ASUS offers a comprehensive lineup of industrial computing platforms for a diverse array of applications. ASUS IoT AI solution brings artificial intelligence to your factory. That conducts my presentation today. I hope this has been a useful insight into how ASUS technology can help transform your operations. Thanks for your time.
Hello everyone, it's my pleasure to talk about AI edge computing and IoT automation here. ASUS IoT was officially founded as new business group at ASUS. This is the third business group. One of the BU under is IoT BU, and we are working on industrial IoT hardware and applications. So here we can see our line of products. They are Azure Percept Kit, Edge Computer, Industrial Motherboards, and Tinkerboard series, which is on-platform SPC. We also work with key customers on the market with some ODM projects. Besides the full experience of developing board-level products, ASUS also have been developing products in various form factors, and they all come in Intel and ARM platform. Here we can see the hardware system that ASUS IoT provides you. Not just palm size with Adamax AM ARM, but also different computing power industrial system. So you can find Intel Atom Apollo Lake, Core i level, and also Xeon high computing units. There are fanless systems available for harsh environment. And also we have 2U, 4U system with multiple PCIe expansion slots. These products can be used for product inspection in production line, equipment status check, AI inferencing, and so on. No matter on the back-end side or on the edge side. All these products come with 7 years or even longer product life cycle and at least have 2 years warranty. Furthermore, we have local service center in almost every APEC countries. So all the RMA service, it can be done locally. Okay, apart from the edge computing we just mentioned, we are working on future high performance 3U system with graphic cards inserted. And the NVIDIA Jetson Nano computing series, the new PE1000N selection with, that will be Jetson Nano, and Jetson Xavier NX and Jetson TX2 NX to meet different users' needs. ASUS IoT motherboard supports rich PCIe expansion slots, so users can have more choices of adapting automation cards such as DAQ card, digital I/O card, and motion cards. With a riser card provided, we can further provide more choices. Most important of all, dual graphic cards for AI computing power and video capture card image feeding in. The Intel platform we can provide Skylake H110, Q170, they are legacy platform. And right now the mainstream is Comet Lake, which is Q470E. We will soon be working on the next generation Elder Lake in the early year 2022 in order to provide customers the latest technology on the market, and we will soon provide the Elder Lake products. Here we would like to talk about a couple of use cases. What we can see here is AOI application. The reason we successfully introduced our platform is because, well, the first one, as we all know, graphic cards are usually bulky in sizes. However, our PCIe slots design allows customer to insert 2 graphic cards at the same time. Okay, and the second one, Besides the PCIe slots, we still keep PCI and for customers' I/O card expansion needs. Okay, and the third one, because ASUS also designed graphic cards, and we are capable of doing compatibility and verification tests for users efficiently. Okay, here is another user's case for product sorting on production line. Well, our customer, generally speaking, are satisfied with overall performance on our system product. Under plant and the warehousing applications, sometimes environment is more difficult in temperature and humidity. ASUS IoT provides solutions for safety, health, and environmental protection for operators, including AI software application and hardware solutions that the user can do personal protective equipment detection, people trace tracking, forklift operations alert, SOP execution check. All of them can help significantly improve the safety in facility to minimize any potential risks. For other applications that have spaces limitation in requirement, we also offer the compact size system. This is compact size but still come with expansion slots. This is suitable for different kinds of industrial system. What we are looking at are the AI-related key parts that we commonly introduce to users. At ASUS AIoT, we can provide solutions from quadro cards and to graphic cards from both NVIDIA and ASUS. Accelerator cards from Google TPU and M.2 TPU modules are for small system. And we also have PoE cards for camera requirement. With all these key parts, users can have more options on different scenarios in IIoT and the AI applications. For AI application, a lot of time, system require contact and a stable connection. Well, sometimes environment relies on wireless data transfer, but Wi-Fi sometimes can be interrupted for numerous reasons. ASUS IoT provides failover API tool for system developer. When Wi-Fi connection drops, system can instantly switch to backup 4G LTE internet and make sure uninterrupted data transfer. ASUS IoT further provide solutions for car license plate recognition and facial recognition to be used in manufacturing facilities. Through continuous self-learning, the system can increase the accuracy, and the system is actually loaded on ASUS Tinker ARM SBC, and in that case, we are able to offer very competitive solution offer. Okay, here what we see is the facial recognition solution. We work with CyberLink, and also the system is loaded onto our ARM platform products. The applications that we can use in access control, in attendance management, and also mass detection and recognition. We also work with Microsoft Azure for Percept development kit. They are devices particularly designed for Azure AI platform. By utilizing machine learning tool on Azure Cloud, users can easily and quickly develop AI applications such as people counting, intrusion detection, voice recognition, and so on. AI application development is no longer heavy, but it has become a fast and easy process for enterprise users. Okay, thank you for listening to AI Edge Computing and IIoT Automation. We sincerely want to invite AI and IoT experts to communicate and share your experience with us. We will have QR code on the screen, and for further inquiry, it will be displayed at end of this webinar. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Karen Lin from Innodisk. I'm Product Manager for Embedded Flash Business Division. InnoEdge is the dedicated SSD solution for remote management in IoT application. In the presentation today, I will introduce IoT development challenges from edge side. Innodisk provides a relative solution, namely InnoEdge, which not only helps customers to remote monitor SSD, but also could remotely send command to trigger recovery, erase, replicate, and the other functions from OOB channel. It could be used in public cloud and private cloud. Last but not the least, there are some case studies for your reference. There's a lot of misperceptions about IoT in terms of security and cyber attacks. Most small businesses don't have enough manpower and bandwidth to handle this issue related to IoT. Moreover, how to manage it will become the problem since the devices are located in many spaces, which service and maintenance would be utterly hard. It impacts the scalability. Those three pain points are solved by our new products, InnoEdge with a smart and delicate way to handle it. The world's first hybrid solid-state SSD solution for remote management, maintenance, and data security for edge devices. InnoEdge integrates with Microsoft Azure Sphere MCU, which could remote monitor and control from cloud side by user's own notebook or phone. Additionally, dual-band design enhances the management even when the operating system crashes. The core solution feature of InnoEdge is to offer secure auto-band signal for remote management and maintenance of edge devices, helping optimize device performance and simplify scaling. In the architecture of OOB operation, in the left side is edge computing. First, we install InnoEdge in the system and connect to the system's power receiving through SSD external pin header. Second step is to make sure that the system must design an independent standby power for SSD. The purpose is to ensure that InnoEdge is always with power to receive command from cloud, even the system is power off. The last step is to choose connect to internet by using Ethernet or Wi-Fi. So step 1, 2, 3 is easy to develop the InnoEdge in edge computing. If the operating system is working normally, the in-band channel with software monitoring can execute remote management functions. But if the OS is crashes, InnoEdge with OOB signal provide user independent channel remotely access and control SSD regardless of the overall system status. The difference between in-band is that the call command through OOB is directly sending to controller for firmware. There is no compatible issue of OS or CPU type. While the system is recovered, firmware will send the reboot command automatically through the connection of power receiving, which we mentioned previously in step 1. At this moment, the in-band signal has been working again. Out-of-band is an important function in edge computing for IoT application, and it is a complement to in-band. For remote side, InnoEdge dashboard could help you monitor the status of SSD, including SSD temperature and health, to see its lifespan instead of unplanned downtime. In the dashboard, you can see the button to trigger OOB function such as recovery, reboot, destroy. Our programmer can add more features like erase function, replicate, and sanitize AES key. User can use the SDK developing the monitor dashboard in cloud, or you can consult with Innodisk engineer to collaborate on the projects. There is a section in the dashboard. It's SSD Smart Information for prediction and management. Moreover, even system crash at edge side, ICAP still could use OOB function to monitor SSD status. Above two features are based on not only in-band in application level, but also OOB in hardware level. OOB compensates to in-band function, which means dual-band management is a complete solution for IPC computing usage. And we also consider that the internet connection is not convenient in some scenarios. Thus, in order to realize the full recovery ability for edge devices, we have InnoOSR to trigger OS recovery by one click only. On-site personnel can effortlessly implement InnoOS's powerful functionality in any application. Innodisk aims to provide one-stop service to provide full recovery to IoT edge devices in order to reduce downtime, travel time for repairs, and maintenance costs. InnoEdge support Azure Cloud through IoT Hub and also support the most common IoT connection protocol, MQTT, and web service to connect to the cloud management software. InnoOS's pattern firmware technology enables truly next-level recovery that is ideal for applications such as manufacturing and factory equipment, clinical cart, smart world system or LEO satellite, and highway ETC system that cannot afford little downtime. Operators will find it easy to restore SSD drive to a working state with just one single click of a button without engineers' assistance. Its brilliantly simple architecture allows system integrator to use it in a new and innovative ways. SSD with state-of-art software and embedded MCUs such as Innodisk's Azure Sphere-equipped InnoEdge SSD provide system integrators with an effective way to mitigate some of IoT's biggest challenges. We have some real and successful cases in smart port, smart city system, smart retail, and smart factory. By enabling out-of-band signaling, management and maintenance can be greatly facilitated while maintaining edge security at the highest level. The result is a solution that enables the future of an ever-growing number of connected devices while also reducing costs for these IoT application system operators. And finally, Innodisk is honored to be a strategic partnership with ASUS. As part of the partnership, ASUS is equipping its PE200U edge computers with Innodisk's flash storage. The out-of-band management enables Innodisk's InnoEdge SSD. This revolutionary solution allows customers to roll out more reliable and secure edge devices and IoT infrastructure than ever before. It's all for the presentation today. Please feel free to contact us for any questions, and thank you.
Okay, so that was our presentation sessions. Thank you. So now we have some questions coming in, and we would like to try to answer the question one by one. Okay, so the first question is, ASUS started IoT business later than others. So what is the positioning different from others? Okay, so I think, let me to answer this one. And the positioning of ASUS AIoT is very simple and straight, and that is AI development. Okay, we also have strong partnership with Intel, NVIDIA, and Microsoft, and that can help us to have the latest platform, and we can also make sure that our customer have the latest cutting-edge technology on their products. Okay, so that's the first one. And the second one is, can AI model training be done locally? So I think, Rick, can you help with this one?
Okay, no problem. I think we have a lot of customers today ask about this question. Normally, our product design for customer, they can do this kind of training model locally. The reason is the customer worry about the data security. So if they have to upload the data to the cloud, they have some concern. So right now we can do this kind of services. So they can use our software to do the training model locally. It's not a problem.
Okay, and let's see what we have for the third question. It says, it looks ASUS has moved to IoT and the automation. The successful cases we mentioned are from APAC or Southeast Asian countries. Okay, let me answer this one. Okay, basically yes, and we actually got pretty good outcome in APAC region. So far we have been working with customers and in semiconductor field, and we also have customers in manufacturing. They do tires, they do food processing, and they do metal parts, and also we also have customers, they do electronic components factories. So there are also several projects that currently is ongoing, and we also welcome that any potential partners, then if you feel interested, you can feel free to talk to us. Okay, next question. What is the unique features of ASUS Ice Vision? So how about this one, Rick?
Okay, so I think that is related to our ASUS Ice Vision product. Ice Vision product has a lot of features, but the most unique feature is abnormal detection. The reason is the abnormal detection only take a good example to do the AI model training. So for these kind of things, they only have to use a few minutes to do the model training compared to a traditional one that maybe take hours. So that can reduce the training time a lot.
Okay, thank you. Next question. If I need other AI accelerator card models that we didn't mention, does ASUS can also provide them? Yes, we can do that. And as we have long-term partnership with NVIDIA, we not just provide AI accelerator card from NVIDIA, we can also provide you Quadro card. But the most important thing is actually we not just provide them, we can also help customers to do the validation and the compatibility test. I think we have limited time, so let's take the one last questions. Okay, so the next question is for the tech. The next question is, can ASUS provide turnkey solutions for system integration, including software and the hardware? Okay, Rick, can you help answer this one?
Okay, no problem. So as you know, ASUS provide not only hardware but also software solution for the customers. So we can integrate hardware and software together in-house and do a compatibility test. So customers, they don't have to worry about the compatibility issue compared to other solutions. So that is our unique value for our customers, integrated solution.
Okay, integrated solutions, that's the most important unique part.
Yes.
Okay. Yep. Okay, so I think that's pretty much for most of the questions, and we still have some. And if your question hasn't been answered yet, and we will try to answer you after the webinar. So please feel free to jump in and let us to after this event, and we will contact you directly and for any of your questions. Okay. Thank you very much for attending. Thank you, Rick. Okay. You guys have a nice day. Bye bye.